Hello and welcome back to the YouTube and Blackboard video series. This is a one more thing video to cover something that wasn't included in the original series. Today we're going to look at the Mashup tool in Blackboard. The Mashup tool is a function of the text editor, and it's available in a lot of different areas in Blackboard wherever you have a full text editor. We're just going to create an announcement as an example. So here we have the full text editor, and again, if you only have one row of tools, you're going to want to pop those out using the double down arrows in the upper right hand corner of the text box. That will reveal that third row of tools, which does include the mashup function. The YouTube Mashup tool functions similarly to the embed code, but the mashup tool does give you a few additional functionalities that are not present in the embed code. So we're going to click on the mashups button and select YouTube video. We'll enter a search term here. I'm going to use a channel that I happen to like. We'll see the search results below. We can scroll through the search results, select the video we like. Here's where we'll have those additional options. Instead of just the embed size being what the embed code defaults to and having to resize that manually after we put it into Blackboard, here we have the option to set the video as a thumbnail, which will open in a new window, or we can put just a text link, which will just be words that link to a video player, or using the embed function. So I typically just use the embed function, and we'll take a look at what the thumbnail looks like in just a moment. It's a good idea to go ahead and click the yes on the show URL, and that way, if for whatever reason the mashup might not be functioning for students, which is very rare, the URL will be present so they can just click on the URL and it will take them to the video in YouTube. We'll go ahead and submit this, submit our announcement. And there you see our video is in the announcement and playable within the screen, and there is that URL below. Now let's take a look at using the mashup as a thumbnail. So we'll go ahead and create a new announcement here. This time, after we've selected our video, we're going to leave the option to view at thumbnail. Again, we'll include the URL. We'll click submit and submit again. And this is how the video appears as a thumbnail. When students click on it, it will open in a smaller window where they can play it. They can use the title link to go directly to YouTube, and they can use the URL to go directly to YouTube. That's the Blackboard YouTube Mashup tool. It's pretty easy to use, and it works similarly to the embed code from YouTube. Thanks again for joining us, and as always, be awesome.